Hi guys, welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that appeared on the 2020 Kangaroo Math Contest for grades 9 and 10. This problem was a 5-point question and it said, given that the grid is square and AB equals 1, find the value of AC. So what they mean by the grid is square is that you see these little squares or these little quadrilaterals that is formed by the grid. Those are all square. That's what it means by the grid is square, just so you didn't know. So since these are square, the side lengths will be the same, and I'm assigning a variable to that side length, which is x. Okay? So first we need to solve for x if we want to do anything concrete in this problem. Now, I don't know if you've realized, but this is a right triangle. So from A to the vertice of the rectangle and from the vertice to B, that's a right triangle because this angle is 90 because it's a square, right? So that means since AB is 1, we can form a right triangle using this side and this side, since this side is 1. And we can use Pythagorean theorem if we designate a bunch more x's. Since the side lengths are the same, that means this length will be x, this length will be x, this length will be x, this length will be x. So this side length would be 4x. And similarly, since there are 3 x's here, this side length would be 3x. So this is 4x, this is 3x, and this is 1, right? So when we apply Pythagorean theorem, we get 4x squared plus 3x squared equals to 1 squared, or 16x squared plus 9x squared equals to 1. When you simplify that, you get 25x squared equals to 1, or x squared equals to 1 over 25. Okay? And when you square root both sides, you get x equals plus or minus 1 over 25. Now, you know that lengths cannot be negative, so we just ignore the minus part and we just proceed with x equals the square root of 1 over 25, positive square root of 1 over 25. And that equals 1 over 5. So x equals to 1 over 5. That's the length of these little square sides over here. And now, using that, we'll proceed. So as you can see, I've mapped out all the x lengths over here, because as you can probably tell, this is also a right triangle, so you can get the length of this side by squaring this, and adding them, right? And we already know x, so we can calculate the length of the sides. So x equals 1 over 5, like we said before, and let this side AC equal n, just for simplicity's sake, okay? So n squared equals to 5x squared plus 2x squared, because of Pythagorean theorem. But we know that x equals 1 over 5, so n squared equals to 5 times 1 by 5 squared plus 2 times 1 by 5 squared, or 1 squared plus 2 over 5 squared. And that equals 1 plus 4 over 25, which means n squared equals to 29 over 25, as shown here. Okay? So we know that n squared equals to 29 over 25, which means n equals to plus or minus root 29 over 25. Since, again, AC is a length or n is a length, it can't be negative, so we're only going to take the positive version. So n equals to root 29 over root 25. We know that root 25 in the denominator is 5, so we can designate the denominator as 5. And you can't simplify root 29, so we just leave that as it is in the numerator, giving us the answer n equals to root 29 over 5, or AC equals to root 29 over 5. And that is option E. So that is the correct answer. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.